G'day all. You might have seen in a previous video this little Chinese flame gulper. I had some problems getting a long run out of it. What I've done, I've taken it apart and just lapped that valve covering. I'm not 100% sure of the terminology of that, but it's that little valve cover that goes over that intake exhaust. I lapped that on an ultra fine diamond little easy lap. So let's see if that makes any difference. Turn the lights off. Here we go. Okay, I think that was it. I think that's all it needed, that to be lapped. Well, it's running and running really good. It's surprisingly heavy. There's a fair bit of brass in there, and this aluminium plate is fairly stiff. It's got there's two ball bearings. There's a ball bearing on this side. There's a ball bearing on this side. The axle runs through a ball bearing, and there's another ball bearing there on that eccentric here that operates that spring and that valve. There's enough room to put a pulley, and after filling the power of that, I had to hold that down because it wanted to walk towards the flame. It's because it's bouncing on this cork that I've got here on a lazy Susan, but that's got a lot more power now, so that definitely made a difference, just lapping that on ultra fine easy lap. But I think I'll go and make a pulley for that now and test out, see what it can drive. Now, just to make sure that wasn't an anomaly, I'll fire that up again. Hopefully it starts and goes for at least a minute. Okay, I'm very pleasantly surprised with that. That's a nice bit of brass there. Nice bit of weight on that flywheel. Alright, as always, I hope you enjoyed that, and bye for now. I'm going out to the lathe to turn up a pulley and see what this can drive. Bye.